Hey Charlotte, it's Jimmy here with the CLT Life. Today we're in the Plaza Midwood neighborhood at Pinhouse. It's an awesome place where they've got self-pour beer, they've got duck pin bowling, they got a beautiful outdoor patio. We're gonna go inside and talk to the tap manager, Adam Mann. So let's go on inside and take a look. If you haven't ever gone to a place where you actually pour your own beer, this is one of the first places in Charlotte that offers that. You actually have the Pour My Beer system set up. So just want to come out here and have a conversation with you today and take a tour around. Thanks.
Yeah.
Tell us about Pinhouse.
Pinhouse opened up July of 2019. Got the ball rolling, got some good momentum going, throwing big events. 2020 went a little different than we hoped.
Yeah.
But together as a company, we were able to come up with different ideas to stay afloat, and 2021 is looking really fruitful.
Yeah, how'd you get through that last year?
We did to-go sales, crowlers and growlers, monitored capacity, hired security. We were soaking down tap handles with isopropyl alcohol nonstop, sanitizing in between each use. That was aggressive. Yeah. Smelled like a nail salon in here at times.
And you got 72 taps, right?
72 taps.
That's a lot of wiping down.
It's a lot of alcohol.
How does it work? How does the self-pour system work? Because I'm used to going to a bar or a brewery and you go up and you talk to the bartender and tell them what you want. So how does this system work?
Super easy. Come in with an ID and a debit or credit card. Check in with the cashier up front, and you get a wristband, RFID wristband. Take the wristband, scan it on the tap wall, and pour as much or as little as you want. So the beauty of the system is you never ever wait on anybody. You check in and then there's no wait after that. You can sample. Some people come in and sample 30 different beer, and then some people come in and pour 4 glasses of PBR. You can do whatever you want to do.
Do you have, I see you have lots of pint glasses. Are you set up for flights at all, or people just make their own flights out of the bigger?
They just pour small samples in their pint glasses, and sometimes they mix beer, which is cool. We've seen the cider mixed with IPA, the sours and stouts mixed. We encourage it. We love it.
Yeah, a little experimentation.
Champagne and cider, all kinds of goodies there.
Besides having the self-pour, tell us more about the concept here.
Tons of live music, trivia, music bingo. We have the duck pin bowling lanes downstairs, open 7 days a week. All the time running bowling specials, renting out the lanes for private events, cornhole outside, awesome patio, lower patio covered, turf area for play, upper patio, and you've got your kind of your jazzy lounge, bluesy live music vibe here, and then downstairs is where all the action is with the bowling lanes. It's a good time. You can get any vibe you want in one setting.
What's the experience been like here in the neighborhood? Is how they welcomed you and how have you become involved in the local neighborhood here?
Plaza's been great. The owners had always wanted to be in Plaza Midwood, from what I understand. It's a lot different than South End. Lots of young families, lots in their 30s and 40s, looking for a good time, but not looking for the club scene.
Right.
Kind of wanting to keep it chill, upbeat and chill at the same time.
So I'm 43, so this is a place that I would come.
Absolutely.
It has more of the brewery type atmosphere.
South End's fun.
Yeah.
It's young, super fun, high energy, but this is where you come to chill and get more of a date night experience. Gotcha. Or a low-key, guys night out, girls night out experience.
So you are a local business. Tell me, and I always love to ask this question, why is it so important to support local businesses?
You're supporting your next door neighbor.
Yeah.
You're not supporting a corporate company from overseas or from out of state. You're literally supporting your next door neighbor.
We're in the front room right now.
Yeah.
We've got one of the beer walls back behind us. So let's show off this place.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, so show me how the system works.
We scatter our product by style on purpose.
Okay.
Kind of move people around a little bit. We keep wine and cider together, but all the beer styles we mix up. So an IPA maybe beside a wheat, to another IPA, to a lager, to a stout. We keep it mixed up, and it keeps
you moving along too and exploring different stuff over there.
If we had an IPA section, where would everyone be?
Hanging out there. All the big guys that look like me and you.
They would never see the wheat beer or the stouts. We have 2 taps per screen. You can see this beer goes to this faucet, this beer goes to this faucet. These screens you can actually touch, and it will give you the description directly from Untapped, and we can edit those if they're too wordy. You get the wristband up front when you check in.
Okay.
And you just simply scan on the tap wall here. And then you see your name pop up.
Okay.
If your name pops up, open the faucet, capture the beer. So if you've never had this product before, nice hazy IPA, Lagunitas, you can sample it before you commit to a half glass, whole glass, your second glass.
Well, I'm really excited to see the rest of the place as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go on downstairs.
Let's do it.
So this has a completely different feel and different vibe than upstairs. Upstairs is very like clean and modern. Down here is more like a rustic, manly vibe, I feel like. It's a game room.
Smaller pins.
They're a lot smaller, yeah.
Smaller balls. I think these guys weigh like 3.5 pounds.
Okay.
So my hands aren't that big. These are small balls. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Good job picking up the spare.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I was down here with Scotty a little bit earlier too, and he was telling me about the history of this building. It used to be the old Plaza Midwood Cleaners.
That's right.
I noticed you got the sign on the wall over there.
You have the
Paying
sign?
homage to that.
They had one of the guys kind of refurbish it, but keep it, you know, old school, throw the lights back in it, get it working and hang it up. This used to be out in the front parking lot where the Pinhouse sign is. And there's lots of pictures of that that we get tagged in on Instagram.
Yeah.
They love that sign. Lots of people hang out on the patio.
It's a beautiful view.
If it's not late at night, we'll put live music on the turf area. So this is just a good chill vibe. You got the couch area behind you, table seating. Lots of people like to sit on the wall and kind of just hang out.
Nice.
Cornhole going on. It's a vibe, you know, live music, all the lounge areas, the cornhole. It's good stuff.
I always like to offer a special to the viewers who watch this. So in exchange for going on here and giving a review at parkbench.com/pinhouseclt, you're going to offer them something special. So what do you got on tap?
Of course. We would like to offer a free game of bowling for them plus 3 of their friends or family.
Awesome. So, and the way they'll get that is you have to go on parkbench.com/pinhouseclt and give a review and then bring that coupon on in to redeem it.
That's it. We'll hook them up.
Thanks for watching, Charlotte. We'll see you on the next video. Hey, Charlotte. It's Jimmy here with the CLT Life. Thanks so much for watching these videos and supporting our channel. If you happen to own a local business and would like to be featured, or if you know a cool local business throughout the Charlotte area that should be featured on our channel, let me know. You can just send me an email to jimmy@thecltlife.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on a future video.